Towing a trailer just got easier thanks to the available Toyota wireless camera system. This accessory is designed to help visibility when towing and pairs seamlessly to select Toyota vehicles. As the name suggests, once the device is paired, the camera wirelessly transmits a video feed directly to the vehicle. Get the view you need when you need it. Enjoy the convenience of accessing your camera feed right from your digital rearview mirror or briefly on the audio multimedia touchscreen. Enhancing convenience and visibility when driving with a trailer is now easier than ever. The Toyota wireless camera system offers peace of mind with the push of a button, whether parked, backing up, or driving. See what's behind your trailer anytime you need to. The Toyota wireless camera system can pair to multiple cameras, eliminating the need to reinstall a camera every time you swap trailers. Enjoy a hassle-free setup with no wires to run, since the cameras can be easily removed and charged before use. The Toyota wireless camera system takes the stress out of towing, meaning more time for going. To learn how to pair and use the Toyota wireless camera system, check out the in-depth tutorial on Toyota's YouTube channel.